Hi all, I am Neena Suresh. I would like to talk to you. When you want to speak English, I am here to help you. Let's start our class. It's very simple if you have interest. It is raining. It is raining here. Shall we take rain as our today's topic for speaking? Every day I will give you a topic for speaking, and today we shall take rain as our topic. Do you like the rain? I like the rain very much. Do you like the sound of the rain? Yes, I like the sound of the rain very much. There are different types of rains. We shall learn the names of all the rains. The rain has subsided. The rain has subsided now. I will come tomorrow to take class. I will come tomorrow with another topic for speaking. Do you like to speak English with me? Do you like my class? If yes, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. It's not a difficult thing to speak English, I am sure. I am sure that you will speak English fluently. I will come tomorrow. Till then, bye.